remove the wheel. I'm going to use a 17mm socket. Take the lug bolts out. I'm going to go and take the last one out. I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling. Grab the wheel, take it off. I'm going to take some locking pliers, and on the back side here, prevent the stud from spinning. Just lock them down. Then use a 16mm socket. Take this nut off. Slide that nut off. Now we're going to loosen up the top nut. First, I'm going to use a socket. Use a 16mm socket. That'll get it loose. Then I'm going to take a wrench, preferably a ratchet wrench, and a 5mm hex key to prevent the stud from spinning. Once it's loose enough, you can do it by hand. And slide the link out, and slide the link out from down below. When you're installing the link, pay attention to the studs. The longer stud is going to go on the bottom and the shorter one up top. So slide this through up here, slide the bottom through the hole in the knuckle, and the upper one up in the sway bar. Now put the nut on, and we'll tighten this the same way it came off. Use the hex key to hold the stud from spinning. Tighten it down. And put the bottom one on. Get that one started. I'll snug this up. And torque those down to 41 foot-pounds. Now put the wheel on. And the lug bolts, get those started. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 110 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.